Okay, so hello everybody. Welcome back to another brand new Islands episode. Yes, this is the first ever series where I reach episode 3. Yes, it's just it's so good to hear that I actually made an episode 3 in a series. Cause I remember one of my Meep CD role plays, it only reached episode 2 and then I just stopped recording. Oh yeah, and smash the like button and subscribe button to get a chonky duck, because we like chonky, we like ducks. You put them together and boom, they become the best thing in the entire universe. Oh yeah, and now I can mount a cow. Sir, can I please? Yeah, I did a bunch of off-camera grinding, but I'll probably I did record it, but I was too lazy to add commentary, so. And also I was watching a YouTube video and I realized my mic was on, so yeah, it was for a commentary video actually. But I will probably post the video, maybe. Oh, and I made a better roof. I don't think I changed the inside. Yeah, no I didn't. It didn't change the inside at all. Oh, and if you're asking why I'm not wearing the iconic brick battle shirt, it's because I watched one of Sharkblox's video and he showed how you can make a custom shirt, so I was like, oh yeah, I can make a custom shirt now. Wow. This I don't think I'm following the script, whatever. But this is the first time where I'm making a gameplay at nighttime and I'm very energetic. Character development, I think. Also, what can I even do with tomatoes? I can make pizza, but I don't even know how to cook it. Like is it uncookable? Uncookable is a word, I think. Oh, and yeah, I also add this crafting table. It's literally useless. No offense. Oh yeah, and I also made an anvil and I got a better pickaxe, because yes. But I feel like, if we just go here, I cannot expand, because if I expand here, it will block. Oh wow, there's a cave. If I expand here, it will block like at least the beautiful island there. So how do I do this? We're gonna make like a little street or neighborhood here on this side. But these things are blocking me. Should I put it here? That looks a bit messy, like my Skyblock Island Minecraft. So what are we going to do? We're going to make a workshop. Yes, I'll put all of my stuff there, so that's far more easier. And can somebody explain to me what that thing is supposed to be? Like, please, I'm begging you. Please tell me. Oh, and I recommend you ignore any background noise you hear. Please just... Oh great, it's raining now. But yeah, just ignore any background noise you hear and just pretend that this is a very well-made video by a person who isn't even 13. Yeah, I'm too lazy to even get a PC. I'm not even that rich to get a PC. Wow, that's pretty sad when you think about it again. So, oh, I need to stop talking, but I was wondering if I should make it pine. I should probably make it black. Bro, can you not? I think I should probably make it like planks. But I don't even have enough. Oh yeah, and I need to plant these seeds. Yeah, I did a lot of off-camera mining. Oh yeah, and we're just gonna try checking out some of the updates since, I mean, it's not a gameplay if you're not gonna check out the updates. So I'm gonna say the updates. Wait, no, that's for Reddit, not you know what? Never mind. Oh, I need to make this place more bigger, I think, or should I not? I don't really care. So I'm just gonna put the rest of these items on like this side first. That, you know, I'll just rearrange it later. Boom, see? So I might need to, you know, get some more stone, you know, so that we can make this video stretch out to over 35 minutes. My last video. So I really want to check that tree, but I'm way too bored. You know, I need more stone. Do I sound energetic? Please tell me, please. I beg you. Yes, finally I can enter this spooky cave. It literally has nothing. It legit has nothing. I don't know. I expected there to be like at least coal ore or like some stone. I mean, like there is a ton of stone, but the proper stone. And this, like, you know, I'm very disappointed. Oh. Yeah, but anyways, what I was trying to say is that I'm very disappointed. Oh yeah, and should I make more islands videos, because I need money, and these videos seem to get me more views than usual. Like I would get at least 10 views, you know. Like usually I would get 20 views or something like that in like a week, but this time I'm getting like at least 20 views in 2 or 3 days, which is pretty cool. So you should actually like and share, please. Like, I'm begging you. I would kneel down and beg you to subscribe or like, because I need money. I'm not trying to sound rude. It's not like I'm making this channel like in it for the money. Like, yes, I do love editing and spend my time not doing my homework, because, you know, I'm not, like I said, I'm not 18 plus. So next time I should write scripts, you know, that's really useful. But yeah, I love editing videos, and I just love, you know, waking up all the way until, I don't know, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. just editing the low effort videos. Oh yeah, and I always put everything that is needed in the description. So if you ever want to check out something, you can always look in the description, or you can just ask me, since I only have 69 followers, and I'm not gonna say anything at this point. I don't know what to say. I'm just a YouTuber. I don't even know what to say anymore. I think that's enough stone. Should I put it over here, or should I? Bro. Can they remove the void, please? Like, remove it from my life. And I'm kind of glad that this is in a Minecraft skyblock. Like, sometimes you might even there are some servers that, you know, that will just immediately, you know, lose all your items into the void. So, you know, you really have to like work your butt off to get the items back. But there are some servers where you just keep your items for a couple of times. If you fall too many times, you just lose all of it. So yeah, that's why I don't like skyblock. Also, my content's getting really dry. I made a Arsenal ASMR video. I posted it on Twitter and not on YouTube because I'm too lazy. You need to stop being lazy. Like, I literally took 3 or 2 days to literally make a thumbnail. Okay, I need to go get more stone, Davey. Well, so where can I get totems, please? Like, it always says that I unlock totems, but it never even, yeah, it never, what? Oh, yeah, it's just another normal day, you know. Okay, so after some mining, I got a couple of decent items, you know. Yeah, I think that's decent. So now we can actually finish this whole street thing. I think I should. You know, I think the quote or the motto for this channel should be, I hate the void and you should too. You know, spread the word. Everybody should hate the void. Even if your display name is void, just hate them or yourself, because you know you have to void display name. Also, since it will almost be school holidays, I just have 1 week left to go to school. I mean, not next week. Next week I'll just have online school, but the next week I'll have face-to-face school. So after that, it's just school holidays. So I would mostly spend my time either going, you know, to small hotels or like staycations, or I'll just spend my time editing videos and try to produce really good content for you guys. Also, you should try checking out a couple of channels that I'll feature in the description box or in the featured channel section. Am I trying to be funny? No, I'm funny. Oh, a completely off topic thing to really talk about. Who remembers, like, whenever you play rock, paper, scissors, there will be always that one kid who just says gun, like, just so that they could win easily. Like, it's literally a cheat code, something like that. I remember I would always get annoyed with those kind of kids, but we were kids, okay? We didn't really know rules and everything. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Also, if my parents happen to watch this, I hope you guys are having fun watching TV, because they are watching TV right now. We just came back home from doing a bunch of family photo shoots. It was interesting, to be honest. Please, faster. I just want iron. I want iron. How? I'm literally blinking rapidly right now. How is he literally sleeping? This game is broken. This Lego game needs to be fixed. Please, why? Why does this exist? Why? Why do I even play this game for content? This is literally... I'm not even gonna question the logic of this game, because there's no logic. Oh yeah, and I'm just gonna quickly, where's my crafting table? Oh yeah, here. I would like to make an iron axe. My life is complete. Also, should I like do some sort of tool giveaway? Yeah, tool giveaway. Wait, did I put it here? Oh yeah, I did. Extra stuff. Never mind. Boom. Now I have an iron axe. It will be much more faster. See? Yeah, boom. I'm literally almost insta mining wood, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I don't understand why I find wood cutting cool. Like, I'm really just weird. Should I convert stone to become stone bricks? Wait. Which I need this crafting table inside. Wait. Factory, utility, stone cutter. It's really expensive. No, I don't think I'm doing it, to be honest. Yeah, I think I'd rather go for stone or for dirt? Does pine wood look good with planks? No, they don't. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I should probably try. I'm gonna go buy some extra plants that I can't get birch for once. It's very expensive for some reason. I do not know why, but it's just expensive because, you know, they like to steal your money. Iron axe. It's really nice to flex on people. Sell crops. I would like to sell 90 of. Boom, I'm rich. See, now I can literally afford a birch sapling. I'm so rich. Why is this plum tree? What even is a plum tree? I'm so confused. Come on, let me in. Finally. Birch sapling. Wait, but where should I? Oh, now I see why this thing isn't growing. Should I expand the land? Oh, almost fell. This patch will be covered with dirt. Boom, this will probably take a long time to grow. But I mean, it's worth it in the end. And I just need birch wood. You know what, we're going for the planks. I need to see a preview of what the birch wood looks like. Or maple wood. Yeah, maple wood is also cool. I think I'm just gonna start the... You can climb? Wait, you can climb this? Oh, I didn't know. Well, that's cool. Oh yes, more wood. Wood. I think I'm really stretching out this video for way too long, so I'm just gonna stop. Just gonna, you know, cut this part off. We did, boys. We did, boys. The birch tree, it has grown. But it takes a long time to grow. 4. Oh, that actually looks nice. Okay, I think I'm just gonna convert this real quick. Yeah, convert these. Okay, now I can do the back side. Does anybody even do the back side of their houses in Minecraft? That's like a question I need to know. Like, who does that? Wood, stone, stone. Bro, no. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Birch plank, what does it look like? This looks cute. Like it actually does. What can I say? Maybe it can be for like another shop or something. Or maybe a house. I can make a neighborhood. Right, I forgot. Or maybe a really nice garden house or something. That really sounds cool. Yeah, like a greenhouse. Is that what it's called? Yeah, greenhouses. They are really cool. Just ignore the heavy rain in the background. Please just ignore it. It's raining, that's why it feels so cozy. That's why I'm also energetic. Yes, I am very energetic. I'm sorry for stretching out the video for like at least 3 years. I'm sorry. Like I really am. This part I'm gonna be, probably cut some of this part out to make it go faster. Oh, I can craft even. I didn't know. Oh, wow. Wow. Why did nobody tell me this? Oh my god. This is why I should scroll down. Ooh. Bell, there's just so much to explore. So cool. Oh, walkway. Oh, that sounds cool. I'm crafting this. Now I have an even better idea. This will be for the next episode. I'm not going to do this really nice. It's probably for the eco house, but I'm not gonna do it now because it's for episode 4. It's for episode 4. Yes. So where do I craft doors? I legally forgot how to craft a door. Oh, here. Boom, that looks nice. But I need to grab a couple of glass blocks. You know what? Episode 4 will be me making the eco house and finishing this build. Because I think I'm stretching this video way too far. And I'll probably do some grinding off camera. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.